Hey, I'm Daniel, Head of Developer Relations at Weaviate, and I'd love to welcome you to our course on building RAG applications in Weaviate with React. In this course, we'll be building a project from scratch with Next.js and Weaviate, using our Weaviate Typescript client. This is great for anyone looking to go from zero to something with vector embeddings and Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG, short for Retrieval Augmented Generation, is a powerful concept used to give large language models context and deal with hallucinations. In our course, we'll use the following technologies: Weaviate for our vector database, Next.js for our front-end application, Cohere for our multilingual embeddings, and OpenAI for our generative search. We've divided this course into a couple lessons. We'll cover setting up a Weaviate cluster on Weaviate Cloud, setting up your Next.js project, installing the Weaviate TypeScript client, creating a collection in Weaviate, importing data into Weaviate, retrieving data from Weaviate, making semantic search queries with Next.js server actions, and implementing RAG using generative search in Weaviate. At the end of the day, your application will look something like this, giving you the ability to search through data you imported and use these responses from your searches as context for interactions with large language models. We've linked to all the important resources for this course in the description below, so please take a look. We hope you find this useful. Happy learning.